Welcome to Shine with Toro.
We're learning together one small step at a time.
Tara, your Quran class is after school today. Don't forget.
Today?
Mm-hmm.
But Mama, today's the final day of the school art competition. Do I really have to go today?
Tara,
I mean, why do I need to go on every single day? I already know I'm supposed to be kind. I know lying is bad. I know we should help people. I know all that already.
maybe one day you'll answer that question yourself.
What question?
Why do you need the Quran?
Bye, Mama. Come, Tara!
Tara, are you ready?
Ready? I barely slept.
Your animation is definitely going to win.
Don't jinx it.
Now everyone, please make sure to upload your submissions before lunch.
No. No.
Tara.
My flash drive.
The blue one?
Yes.
Wasn't it inside your tablet case?
My whole animation is on it.
Maybe you left it at
I
home.
didn't.
15 minutes left!
Tara.
Why was this in your bag?
What?
My flash drive.
I don't know.
You don't know?
Tara, I did it.
You knew I might win.
What are you saying?
You took
I
it.
didn't.
Then how did it get inside your bag? I thought you were my friend.
And the first place winner is... Tara!
Uh-oh.
What's that?
Yesterday, when you asked me to copy your animation, I think I accidentally switched the two drives.
What?
The night before, your blue drive and Fatima were lying on the table. They looked exactly the same. I grabbed them while packing the bags. I put yours in Fatima's bag.
Fatima didn't take it?
I don't think so.
I should not have blamed her.
We should tell teacher Amina tomorrow.
No!
Why?
Everyone heard me accuse Fatima. Everyone believed me. What if teacher Amina takes this away?
Tara.
I worked for weeks for this. Maybe we don't have to tell anybody.
But Fatima...
Please, Ahmed. Just don't tell anyone.
آمنوا اتقوا الله وكونوا مع الصادقين.
I knew accusing someone without knowing the truth was wrong, but I still did it. And now I know I should tell the truth, but I don't want to. Mama, is this why?
Why what?
This is why I need the good one.
Before we get started,
Teacher Amina? I need to tell everyone something. Yesterday, I accused Fatima of taking my flash drive. She didn't take it. It was put in her bag by mistake. And when you told me you didn't do it, I didn't believe you. If I don't deserve this anymore, that's okay. But Fatima didn't deserve what I did to her. I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
Quran class isn't for another 20 minutes.
I know. Mama, Yesterday, I said I already knew how to be good, but when I was angry, I forgot. And when I was scared of losing my trophy, I almost chose the wrong thing again. Maybe I do need it because sometimes I forget what I know.
So proud of you, Tara.
So, does this mean you're not skipping Quran class?
Shine!
Tap subscribe and come shine with me.